Welcome back to Smart English with Bhomik. This is the final part of your Money Secret series, and today I am revealing the ultimate keys to financial security, building an emergency fund and investing for growth. Plus, I will share powerful English phrases to help you talk about money like a pro. So if you are ready to take control of your finances and sound like a boss while doing it, stick around. Let's get started. Did you know that 90% of millionaires build their wealth through smart investing and emergency funds? But here is the kicker. Most people don't even know where to start. In this video, I will show you exactly how to build an emergency fund and invest for growth. Plus, you will learn professional English phrases to impress anyone in a financial conversation. Ready to transform your money game? Let's go. What if I told you that one simple financial habit could save you from debt traps and financial stress? And what if you could make your money grow while mastering English at the same time? Stay tuned to find out. Chapter 7: Building an Emergency Fund. Life is full of surprises and not all of them are pleasant. That's why you need an emergency fund, a financial safety net that protects you from unexpected surprises like medical bills or car repairs. Here is how to build one effectively. Determine your goal. Save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Choose the right account. A high-yield savings account is ideal, safe, liquid and accessible. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers so you don't forget. Resist the urge to spend. This fund is for real emergencies only, not vacations or shopping sprees. And here is your smart English phrases for the day. Instead of saying I am saving for emergencies, say I am building a financial buffer. Sounds more strategic, right? Chapter 8: Investing for Growth. Financial freedom is not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. Saving alone won't make you wealthy, you need to invest. Investing is the key to growing your wealth and achieving financial freedom faster. Here is how to invest wisely. Start early and be consistent. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to compound. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risk. Rebalance regularly. Adjust your portfolio to keep it aligned with your financial goals. Want to sound like a finance pro? Instead of saying I invest in stocks, say I am diversifying my portfolio for long-term growth. It's all about confidence. Chapter 9: Summary and Conclusion. Over this 3-part series, we have covered everything you need to finance your way to financial freedom. Understanding your financial situation, setting smart financial goals, creating a budget, tackling debt strategically, building an emergency fund, investing for growth, and some smart English phrases like financial cushion, safe withdrawal rate, asset allocation, passive income streams, financial blueprint, future-proofing your finances, trim the financial fat, analyzing cash flow, allocating resources, the snowball method, avalanche method, balance transfer method, debt reduction strategy, optimizing spending to sound like a pro in any money conversation. And there you have it. Your ultimate guide to building an emergency fund, investing for growth, and speaking about money like a pro. Now it's your turn. Take action today and start applying these principles to your financial journey. If this series helped you, let me know in the comments. What's your next financial goal? Like this video, subscribe to Smart English with Bhomik, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build a smarter, wealthier future together. See you in the next video. Until then, stay smart and stay financially free. Thanks for watching.